Hello Goodyear users, welcome to this video of Impel CRM. This video illustrates how you can use CRM software by Impel most effectively. We will take you through how you can add a new contact, add a vehicle information, how to bill, send SMS and email through Impel. So let's start the process. To add a new contact, all you have to do is click on the database or the contact tab. Once you are here, you are seeing there are options where you can click the option called add contact. Click on the add contact and then you can start keying the details. Like let's say I'm going to show you how you can add a contact. I choose the title for the person, the first name, which is a mandatory field, where I'm going to key in one information. The first name is Sujit, the last name is Biswas. The gender we are going to put as a male, and then mobile number, let's say we key in 8095704027. Okay, just to give you an idea, this first name and mobile number are the mandatory fields. So let's say you don't give the mobile number and try to add this contact, you will get an error message saying please correct this error and please enter mobile number. So let's say if you just enter a wrong mobile number, you would also be able to see the same messages. It will give you enter a valid mobile number. So I'm going to add a valid mobile number for you, 8095704027. Okay, here you can also add a customer's email address. Okay, and then contact type for this customer, I'm going to say customer, but whereas we have options of driver, not known users, but here is a customer, so I have keyed in him as a customer. I'm going to put his date of birth. Date of birth is going to be 8th October, which is 8/10/1978. I'm going to put the anniversary date as 24th July 2006. Right now I'm also going to key in the driver information. The driver name, let's say we key in Pradeep, and the phone number for Pradeep is 99860483227, and the address, let's say we'll key in one address, flat number 203, Godrej property, Bellary Tower, and city is Bangalore, state is India, Karnataka, pin code is 560016. So all you're seeing right now is add a contact, and you are capturing the screen, you're capturing all the various details for the contact, so and forth. So right now you see two options. There is one called add and one called cancel. So if you really want to add this contact, you click on the button called add. If you don't want to add it, you can also click on the cancel option, and that will not save the data that you have keyed in. So I'm going to show you how you can see the data that you just have entered. So right now you see the first name is Sujit, last name is Biswas, there is a phone number, email address, his driver information, and so on and so forth. So we have done with how to add a contact. Now I'm going to show you how to add a vehicle information. So from the main menu, there is a link that you see is called vehicle information. Click on the vehicle information, and we are going to add a vehicle information. Okay, so let's say we add a vehicle information for Sujit Biswas. There is the information, the vehicle registration date. Let's say we are going to do a vehicle registration date for 7th of March. The vehicle number we are going to key in, which is KA025820. The ownership, he was the owner of the vehicle, so we'll choose him as owner. Depending upon the situation, you can choose him an owner or the driver. The car model and the vehicle brand that you can choose. For the vehicle brand, here I'm going to choose Honda, and then car model is Honda City. You key in all the details and add this vehicle information. So we just saw how you can add a contact and add a vehicle information. Now from here I will take you through a quick tour of how you can bill. So you can do it in many ways. I'm going to show you the easiest one. So let's say you want to create a cash memo. So there is a quick search option through which from the contact or from the registration number you can get the customer that you just added. See, here I see Sujit Biswas. Posted date is today's date, which is 27/3/2012, but you can always go ahead and change the date if you want to change this date to be different than today's date, the day of your cash memo. So now the date of alignment I'm going to choose as today's date as well, but you can choose as per your requirement. Date of balancing, the registration number, I'm going to show you how it takes the registration number come up when you have added this information. Okay, so now let's invoice few things. It's also showing you the billing address that you have added during the time of adding the contact. Now you see the product category. I'm going to choose few product and invoice those product. We have uploaded few product. How, like, once things start to move on, you can add your own product, or you can give us the list where we will be uploading more product for you. That way you can choose exactly what product that you want to sell. So right now I'm going to let's say I choose a product, and I'm going to choose a price, a fictitious price for it. Let's say $1,000. I'm sorry, 1,000 rupees, and the discount percentage is, let's say you give a discount percentage of 10%, which is in 100. Automatically system is generating. Now actual price is 900, and let's say you buy 4, so system will automatically calculate for you it's 3,600. So I'm going to now generate a cash memo. Once you click on this cash memo, it will take you through how you can select a template. So since it's a cash memo, I'm going to select a template which says cash memo template, and from here you can just print the cash memo. So right now we go to the cash memo page, list of cash memos. and you will see the cache memo that you've just created. It's there in your system already. Okay, alright, so we have covered how to add a new contact, how to add a new vehicle information, and how to bill. You can do the same like how I have done right now for cache memo. You can do the same for you can make a tax invoice, you can make a fleet invoice. Depending upon your requirement, you choose whichever one suits for you. Now I'm going to also show you there are different functionalities that is available, and you can do multiple things through Impel CRM. But right now I'm also going to show you how you can send SMS and mass email through Impel CRM. So let's take you through how you can do this. From the main menu, you see there is a link called mass SMS. So once you click on that mass SMS, it asks you to click here to select a template. Let's say you want to select this template saying Goodyear India congratulations one. So you select that one and you select Sujit Biswas, whom you have just made a cache memo for, and you can do multiple selection, or you can just select one. So you say do it, and there is going to be an system automatic generated SMS will be going to you. So I'm going to do it for let's say for Ashish. That way you guys, or maybe for Kaustav. Yeah, I'm going to okay, I'm going to do it for Sujit. And all you have to do to send this SMS is click on do it, and it will send you the template that you have chosen. It will also give you your SMS has been sent out to 1 people. So I'm going to close this screen, and that's how easily you can send SMS to maybe 1 user, or maybe at 1 click to all the users or few of the users, like how you want to choose it. Now let's go to the main menu. The way we have designed for Goodyear this system is from the main menu you will actually get almost all the links. You will be able to do almost everything from the main menu. It's just a 1 click away. So I can also show you how you can send mass emails. It's pretty much the same like how you can do a SMS. So click here to select a template. Let's say we select the test one, and then we send the same thing to Sujit Biswas, and then you come down. There is an option like how you have seen it in SMS. Just do it, and there will be a system automatic generated email will be going with the test template, and you will see an option your email has been sent out to 1 people. So I go back to the main menu and give you a briefing of what I have just talked about. So here's the main menu. Once you get your respective user ID or the login ID and password, you can log into the system. Once you log in, you'll be seeing this database, contact, vehicle information, cache memo, tax invoice, fleet invoice, collection, mass SMS, and mass email. So that's all about it. Thank you for listening, and then we request you to start using this CRM software by Impel, which is specially designed for Goodyear, and we wish you all the best. For further information or anything, any support regarding, you can always contact us with the customer support executive or support@impelcrm.in. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.